Hey, what's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to our channel where we delve deep into the world of tech so you don't have to. Today, on our mind is blockchain technologies, which has been taking the internet by storm in the past couple of years. What we are going to talk about is something way beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to be talking about the whole shebang. More specifically, the stats and the future forecasts of the blockchain hemisphere. Let's get started.
Alright, let's kick things off with the big picture. Money. Who doesn't love talking about money, right? The global blockchain market is set to explode, hitting a mind-blowing $42.54 billion by 2025. Yes, you heard that right. That's a compound annual growth rate of 52.8%. Just imagine, companies both big and small, from tech giants to scrappy startups, are diving into this space headfirst. And why not? With blockchain's potential to revolutionize everything from finance to supply chain, it's no wonder everyone wants a piece of the pie. So if you're not already on board, what are you waiting for? Now this is where things really get cool. Blockchain isn't just for crypto-obsessed fiends anymore. It's making waves across all sorts of industries. Let's talk healthcare for a sec. Imagine a world where your medical records are not only secure but instantly accessible no matter where you are. Yes, this is not sci-fi, this is blockchain. And supply chains? Forget about lost in transit. Companies are now tracking products from the factory floor to your front door with blockchain tech, ensuring everything is legit and on time. Oh, and what about finance? We're talking about smart contracts that do away with the middleman. It's like hiring a lawyer who works for free and never sleeps. What's not to love?
Now let's zoom out a little bit and focus on the global view. Guess which continent has the most crypto users in 2025? There's no drumroll needed, it's Asia. By 2025, we're looking at approximately 480 million users across the continent.
That is more than the entire population of the US and Canada combined. Countries like China, Japan, and South Korea are all in, and they're not slowing down. With regulators becoming more crypto-friendly, it's no surprise that Asia is the crypto king. But hey, Europe and North America aren't sleeping on it either. They're just taking their time, sipping on their coffee and watching the market unfold.
Speaking of adoption, let's talk about something a little closer to home. Your digital wallet.
By 2025, nearly 270 million people will be using blockchain wallets. That's a whole lot of digital cash flying around. And these wallets aren't just for show. They're your personal vaults, letting you send and receive funds across the globe faster than you can say blockchain. And let's not forget DeFi, or decentralized finance. People are waking up to the fact that they can manage their own money without those pesky banks getting in the way. Blockchain wallets are where it's at, folks.
Alright, let's switch gears for a moment. Because while blockchain may be amazing, it's not perfect. Let's start with the boogeyman of blockchains, the 51% attack. Sounds scary, right?
That's because it is. If a group of attackers gets control of more than half the network's computing power, they can wreak all sorts of havoc. We're talking about rewriting the blockchain, double spending coins, and basically turning the whole system upside down. It's like giving the hacker the keys to your own kingdom. And yes, this actually happened with Pancake Bunny in 2021, with 200 million, poof, gone. This is very scary stuff. But the plot thickens. Have you ever heard of endpoint security? It's a fancy term for the spots where the blockchain connects with the real world, like when you log into your wallet or use a smart contract. Each of these endpoints is like a door to your house, and if one of them isn't locked, guess what? The bad guys are coming in. They can steal your data, your coins, and pretty much everything else. And then there's privacy. We all love the idea of privacy, but with blockchain, that's a bit of a mixed bag. Sure, your name isn't out there for the world to see, but every transaction you make is pretty much out there. It's all out in the open on a public ledger. It's great for transparency, but not so great if you want to keep things on the down low. It's like having all your bank statements posted on a bulletin board for everyone to see. Next, we have malware and phishing attacks. Yep, the good old classics. Cyber criminals are always cooking up new ways to trick you into giving up your private keys. One wrong click, and boom, your wallet is empty. And guess what? There's no customer service hotline to call when this actually happens. You're on your own, so be careful out there. Finally, let's talk centralization. Wait, isn't blockchain supposed to be decentralized? Well, yes and no. The reality is that many blockchain networks are still controlled by a few major players. If these guys get hacked or decide to play dirty, the whole network will be at risk. And then there's the issue of governance. Who really is in charge? When decisions need to be made, it's often unclear who gets the final say, which can lead to all sorts of security problems. So yeah, blockchain is awesome, but it's not without its own dark side.
Alright, let's talk about who's actually using this tech. Well, surprise, surprise, it's mostly young dudes in the US, mostly aged between 18 and 29.
This crew is all about tech, innovation, and making smart financial moves. And let's not forget the big dogs like Coinbase and Riot Blockchain. These companies are paving the way, and trust me, they're not just surviving, they're thriving. Keep an eye on them because they're shaping the future of blockchain as we know it.
So, what do you think? Is blockchain the next big thing, or is it just going to turn out to be another tech buzzword? Hit us up with your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us an actual thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and share this with your family and friends. Until next time, stay techy and stay secure.